Welcome to my channel. Easy English practice. For God's sake, stop it.
खुदा के लिए इसे बंद कर दीजिए।
For God's sake, stop it. Right of vote is backbone of democracy.
हक राय दही जमहूरियत के लिए रीढ़ की हड्डी है।
Right of vote is backbone of democracy. What sort of assurance can you provide?
आप इस चीज की क्या जमानत देते हैं?
What sort of assurance can you provide? Who will bear the expenses of your visit?
आपके दौरे के अखराजात कौन बर्दाश्त करेगा?
Who will bear the expenses of your visit? How many dependents have you here?
आपके ज़ेर कफालत कितने लोग हैं?
How many dependents have you here? Bring a Pepsi for me.
मेरे लिए एक पेप्सी ले आएं।
Bring a Pepsi for me. What would you like to have?
आप क्या लेना पसंद करेंगे?
What would you like to have? Room is clean and well ventilated.
कमरा साफ और हवादार है।
Room is clean and well ventilated. I have full faith in you.
मुझे तमेरी ऊपर पूरा एतमाद है।
I have full faith in you. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.